Hello, everyone, and good morning and good evening to all of you. Today, we will see how we can customize the order status page of any catalog item. And before going to the implementation, I would like to say some message that this is out of the box UI page, and we will be customizing that. So, if there is any issue occurred in future, and if you try to raise a high ticket support, then ServiceNow will not be able to resolve that, as they said, like if we do any kind of customization, then ServiceNow will not be responsible for that. So you have to resolve that. But the solution is like what I am providing is obviously gonna work, because in that UI page we don't have client side script. So in that UI page we or ServiceNow already written the HTMLs only. So let's go and implement that. Yeah. So today's goal is to customize this one. So this is my one of catalog item. Let me just show again. So this is my catalog item. Okay. Adobe Acrobat Pro, and this is my out of the box order status page. And we will customize this one. And we will remove this out of the box. So before that, let me just show you the UI page. So this is completely out of the box page. So this name is basically the old one where I have customized this one. So if we do any kind of customization, first rule is you have to create a copy of that, and you need to work on that copied one and not to the original one. So I have just added a suffix into this one so that ServiceNow won't call in the backend. And I have just renamed this, that this is old and real, and this was the code as original. Okay. And this is the copied one, and I replace the name, the original name, basically, that is used by ServiceNow. So this was used by ServiceNow, and this is my newly customized, and I have not done any kind of changes as this is out of the box. So if there is any new major upgrade is coming, you need to obviously check this one if you have done any kind of customization or doing that any customization. So let me just quickly show you. So I have done 3 items customized. I have customized 3 items, or I guess 4 items. Okay. This is mainly where my CSS will be contained, and this is all are the my HTML codes for each item, like whatever the UI I wanted. Okay. And this is for my UI mapping. So which description basically. So as a unique identifier, we are using the description field of that item. So let me just go to catalog item. So this one I am using privacy filter. So I've customized this one wherever it is having privacy filter. Customize some other. Okay. And if any one of the catalog item having special characters, then in that case you have to include in this manner. And if it is matches, then in that case you have to call this function where we have written the UI or the HTML part. So this is the HTML part. And after that, here you can see this is the main core logic to apply the custom UI. Now, if I go to, so this is one of the customized one. Okay. So let me just go to the order status page, what I have did basically. So I have inspected that description field as this is the only one where we can set this, because this is an unique identifier where we can see the information of that item. So here this one I have called this class and finding this anchor tag wherever this contain this description, and then in that case apply my custom UI. Okay, so I've done only this logic, and here you can see table data dot scos description, and anchor tag, request item URL. And here you can see uh, this. Here you can see SCOS description, anchor tag, request item URL. And after that, it is trying to find this description. Okay. So here you can see there is this description, any special character, it is replacing and trimming that and converting to lowercase. And then in that, after that, it is injecting the CSS. And if the matched UI, if UI is matched, then it will try to find the which UI is this, like which description is this. Okay. So we have already written, first it is mapping. It is mapping and then rendering this HTML. If it is not matched, then just written as is. And this is for hiding all the out of the box classes. And in the container, we are just creating one new div where we are adding this custom privacy UI, where we have called this custom privacy UI, and we are setting this all the classes there. Okay. So let's build one of the out of the box. Okay. So this is having out of the box landing page or the checkout page. Let's go catalog, not that one. So let's go and find the description. So let's take this one. Okay. Privacy filter, X1 carbon. Let's check like if we are having the out of the box order status page. Okay. I've ordered it. Yes, it is having the out of the box. So let's take this description and I will not create another function. I will just copy this one and will show you because it will take more time. So you can create like whatever UI you want. Let's just copy this one, just paste this one, and this one my custom. Okay, I'm name this my custom function. As we have the special character, this hyphen, then in that case we need to use this like this. Let's just copy this one, just paste here, and just paste the characters of the special description. It's pasted, not pasted. Okay. Okay. So we will paste this here. This privacy. So this is having filter. We have to write this in small case as we are checking only the small case. And here we have this one. Now carbon. Just removing this from here. Now carbon, carbon. Now, and the function we created is custom, right? That is my custom. Just copying this function. I'm just testing this one. Okay. And it is done because I've already created all the custom, the core logic. So let's save it. And let's check. It is done. Order now. Yeah. Now you can see we have the custom order status page. Yeah, you can add link whatever you want. So you can build like based on your requirement. So that is it for this video. So I'll see you with some new rare videos. And please subscribe if you liked it or if it is helpful for you. So thank you so much.